Buju Banton daughter say him abuse her, my people. Yes, she say him abuse her. That we have got to talk about, my people. Of course, the reports are that she's missing and stuff like that. So we have the one of them things that for breakdown and one of them things that for talk about. Yeah, my people. So in the meantime, you know what thing go, man. If you like the video, just press like. If you have a comment whether or not you agree or disagree with me, leave it in the comment section. And of course, if you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button, because you definitely are going to see more videos like this. We could jump into the video, my people. Alright, my people, I could jump into the video, I could talk about it, and you don't think already, we have to go to it from the root of the matter. So first thing first, as you can see there, that is a picture published by the Star. Yeah, man, you know, media, popular media outlets and stuff, that Star. If you are Jamaican, you know me I talk about, yeah. So that is a picture published by the Star on them Instagram page saying that she is missing, right? Saying that she was missing from last Saturday, right? So them say she missing, everybody confirms that she missing and such like that and such and like and such like that and search party go out, police I look for her, and you know, I try to gather all information as to how them can find her, right? But lo and behold, my people, look at your screen right now. Alright, me know not everybody are going to be able to read it, so I'm going to read it for you. It says, I'm not missing. They are lying. My sister Jodian and my dad are doing this because I proved that he abused me. And he has been abusive, not only to me, but to everyone around him and them. They are doing this to trick you all because they are trying to kill me. Judge and normal people. You see what I'm going right there, so I don't know if you say, I don't know if you bring this, and I don't know if you say because you're going to know. It have me I wonder if everybody in the music industry have a little dirt, have a little skeleton in them closet where really are going, but you know, don't right to say, my people, watch the next screenshot here. Alright, so this next one, as you see right there's up on your screen, it's from a Jazeel province, right? We don't know who this be. It's proclaiming to be the sister, but either way, I'm going to read it still. I'm not sure about the name, I'm not sure of factual information I be, but I can read it still. They say, the final, don't watch the news, don't believe the lies. My sister is not missing. All of this is a lie. Me and my sister talk almost every day. My family don't like when the truth is out, so they do things to save themselves. My sis is not missing. I repeat, my sis is not missing. God, judge and normal people. You see what I go right there. So I don't know who to believe, because I any idea, man, these are not verbal information, and so who knows if somebody have them phone and somebody really a post. So I'm not gonna really take this with judgment if it's a rare, but you're gonna know. Story start get real and normal people. This is where the story start get real. Look where they see the play screen. That is a post from Jamaica Observer. I could read it, I could talk, I could break it down. So it say, an attorney representing Abigail Myrie, the daughter of reggae singer Buju Banton, has reportedly told the police that the 21-year-old is not missing. Myrie reported missing on Tuesday. However, when contacted, the Constant Spring police informed on Observer Online that they are unable to remove her from the missing list unless they see her in person. Yeah, so basically they must say, unless we see the woman in a person, we're not going to remove her from the list. Which we understand, because at the end of the day, anybody can fabricate some lies or whatever, we don't know. So, see, the police them do them work by saying, you are going to know. We want to see that person in a person, you know. We see her, she says she alive and well, and then we can say, alright, you're going to know, remove her from the list. Because I mean, seeing is believing. You know the nature and this, and whereas we see all of them text up on social media and everything. You understand what really are going on to some people. Yeah, so I just say there, we don't really want to draw the video out too much, you see what I say, my people, but I don't know what we make from the conclusion. I don't know whether we say, the man really abuse or I don't know really if you know where really are going, but me just put the information out there. You guys can decipher and choose whichever part you want to take it. You know, think about it or you want to think about it. But this is my little small input on it still, my people, okay? Don't know, regardless, I still give my little input. If the man really did this, Jano Star, the man them need, that the industry need to start to deal with them thing better. Cause like the man them make the fame and I get to them or whatever. Cause I mean we know everybody have them little skeletons and rare, but them things are too bad if I this him really I do. Right? But likewise at the same time we don't want to say that because we don't get nothing concrete, we don't get no concrete evidence. So we don't want to know say you're going on no. Home girl safe and she really and truly safe. You see what I say? Brother, so that still want to do that same way, because we don't really want to jump to no conclusion and pick no sides and say, oh, this are go on or that now go on or whatever now go on. Only if you are made me I say my people. So at the end of the day, we just want to get to the root of it. We just want to say exactly what go on and thing, and say, oh, we can make a decision from there. That's my view, my people. Of course, you know the thing already. If you agree with me, you leave it in the comment section. If you disagree with me, you leave it in the comment section. Same way, you like the video, just press like. If you find any value in the content, just hit the subscription button, my people. Do the right thing. Thanks for watching. I'm out.